You know, I'm French and I've lived in different countries and cities. I have been in several different schools during my childhood because my parents were moving every 2 years. From that, I've developed a high curiosity and a great capability to connect with people. After that, I've studied a business school and I've launched from scratch without support from friends, family or investor my first company in France and China. I was in this time 27 and from zero and without banks I've developed a team of 20 people. Now I've built up 3 companies in various countries and I've always put customer first. That's very important for me. And this before even having a product, but just starting from an idea. And I've developed the product and services from the customer needs, the opportunities I could find, and refining also my customer value proposition and USP, but by meeting with customer. Customer was telling me everything. And having also worked for big corporations and SMBs, I've been every time hungry to meet customers, to understand the business, the competitors, the customer value proposition and USPs first. Because over the years, I've discovered that I have a hunter personality. And also I realized, over the years that SMBs and startups are struggling to open new markets, finding new business opportunities, refining their customer value proposition or their go-to-market strategy. This was challenges that I always met over the years. And I also found out that most consulting companies are proposing consulting, but which mean advices, but they are not operational in their services. And by Up2EU, we not only recommend, we take action on behalf of the customers, and I would say that we are also makers beside consultants. They are busy with their daily business. They have no time to conduct market studies, finding new customers or opening markets. Teams are optimized, by SMBs and startups, and they have to control their cost, and the risk to mistake is very high. So we at Up2EU, we take time only for that, which means that we can be fast, efficient, and help them to make the right decision, avoiding risk and high expenses. I would like to say any, as the process is always the same. We propose a free consultation to understand the product and services, the business model and target customers, and then we make a first check to see if we can serve the company in their target activity. There are also any countries, as long as we can get data. Data are the key factor for us to make decisions if we can address a market or not. Today, you have call centers, you have companies who provide you leads, you have a consulting company who support you in your strategy, and our main USP is that beside the strategical and analytical approach, we are identifying, approaching, engaging and organizing meetings with the target customer of our clients. And we provide also afterwards key takeaways. We are very operational. We are also proposing, other services with our associate partner or outside partner to support our customer in their local market or new launch countries. So feel free to discover their services and profile, and don't hesitate to contact with us if you need some advice or if you'd like to discover a bit more about us.